केंद्रीय मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा, आज हम चुनाव आयोग के सामने पेश हुए ताकि उनका ध्यान इस बात की ओर दिलाया जा सके कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष और राज्यसभा में विपक्ष के नेता ने चुनाव लाने वाले राज्य में मीडिया को संबोधित करते हुए बेहद निंदनीय शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया और प्रधानमंत्री को आतंकवादी कहा। कांग्रेस ने प्रधानमंत्री के खिलाफ बार बार अपमानजनक भाषा का इस्तेमाल करने का एक पैटर्न दिखाया है। ईसीआई के सामने हमने इस तथ्य को उजागर किया कि यदि कोई पार्टी बार बार ऐसा करती है तो यह उनके नैतिक पतन की सबसे निचली सीमा है। प्रधानमंत्री ने आतंकवाद के खिलाफ जीरो टॉलरेंस की नीति की घोषणा की है, जो कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व वाले यूपीए से बिल्कुल अलग है, जिसने आतंकवादियों के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की थी। हमने मांग की है कि आयोग इस मामले को पूरी गंभीरता से ले और इस पर जनता और सख्ती से कार्रवाई करे।
To bring to the notice of the commission that no less a person than the president of the Congress party and the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha has spoken in such condemnable words, and not just anywhere, not sitting with his friends. He went choosing an election-bound state, sitting there, addressing the media, and in that chose to call the Prime Minister a terrorist. And as Kiranji rightly said, today we mark the solemn and a very soulful day of 1 year completion after the Pahalgam attack, where civilians, unarmed civilians, were killed right in front of their families. We are just marking today the first complete year. And on the eve of that day, today, President of Congress Party goes to an election-bound state, Chennai. He sits in a press conference and says this. It has been a pattern in the Congress Party that they use chosen abusive language against the Prime Minister. And they repeatedly use it. There's no change or correction in their course. They have not changed their approach. And today, when we appeared before the commission, the full commission, we highlighted the fact that if a party repeatedly does this and calls the Prime Minister all kind of abusive names, today the words that Shri Mallikarjun Kharge has used, calling him a terrorist, is the bottommost in the pit that they have falling. A country where its Prime Minister has repeatedly said zero tolerance for terror. We will take every action, as opposed to the way in which Congress-led UPA acted on terrorists. They did all kinds of compromises. They didn't take any action. Whereas you find a Prime Minister who has taken sternest position and made sure terrorism is not given any inch of a space in this country. And here is the Congress Party President calling him a terrorist. Outrageous. It's, as was rightly pointed out by our Law and Justice Minister in the Commission, it's both an insult to the elected mandate given by the people of India. 140 crore people have given this mandate. It's an insult. More importantly, it is an insult to the entire system in this country, where through elections people choose their leader, and one person is the leader for the entire country. So we have demanded that the Election Commission take it in all its seriousness. The election process is still on. Tomorrow you have election in Tamil Nadu and phase 1 in Bengal. And here is a party which is completely frustrated and in its deep hate towards the Prime Minister. They're using words to insult him as a person and insult the Prime Minister, which is an institution that Prime Minister Modi holds. It is an insult to the mandate of the people. So we've requested the Commission to take this in all its seriousness and act firmly and sternly. Thank you.